we're going to do a nice morning yoga stretch to help wake you up, get you ready for your day. As always, work within a pain-free range. Take it easy. And anything that does not suit you in your belly today, then please leave it out. And thank you for joining me in the mat. So come to stand. So we're going to take our hands to our hips. I'm going to come up onto the right toes. Press the toe down into the mat. And I'm going to swap over. So come up high. Exhale to come down. The left toes are tucked, left heel's lifted. Inhale to come up. Exhale, swap over. Right toes pressing down. One more time, lift up. Exhale. And then bring the left hand. Heel down. Inhale to take. Right hand and hip. Left hand over. So big breath in to look up. Exhale to turn and look down. Inhale to look up. Exhale, turn and look down. Inhale to look up. Exhale to turn and look down. And fold forward. Bend your knee. Fingers raise the floor. You could hold onto your shin with eyes. Let your head fall. Inhale to right all the way up. Left hand to your hip. Right hand comes up and over. Inhale to lift and look up. Exhale to tuck in a wee bit. Inhale to lift and look up. Exhale. Inhale to lift and look up. Exhale, fold in, and then fold all the way down. Bend the knees. Let yourself unravel. Inhale, kick all the way up. Take your hands out, palms up. And then we'll rotate palms down, elbows up. It's a bit like a puppet. Inhale, palms up. Exhale, take them down. Take them behind your back, interlace your fingers. Press your fist into your back and try to bring your elbows together. You're not going to touch. It's about opening the front of the shoulders, bring the shoulders back. Big breath in. Exhale, take your hands down so they come down by your hips, and then bend your knees and start to fold forwards. So your hands can stay glued to your lower back, or you can lift them up and give them a wee shake to fold. Bend your knees as much as you need so you feel the feet planted into the floor. As you exhale, let your hands come down, and as you inhale, come all the way back up. So I'm going to come stand at the top of the mat now. So inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forwards, bend the knees, tuck the head in. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the floor. Step the right leg back. So you can take the right knee to the floor if you need to, or keep it lifted. Chest forwards. If you've got blocks here, go for it. If you feel happier with your leader side, go for it. So it'll lift wobbly. Your hands are on the floor. Big breath in. So straighten the left leg. Lift the toes. Exhale to bend. Inhale to straighten. Exhale to bend. Inhale to straighten. Exhale to bend. Hands slant to the floor. Step back to downward dog. Move. Press one foot down into the floor. Take the other toes back and press them down. Swap over. Press one foot all the way down. Take the other toes flat. Leg. Come back to that toe stretch that we started with. The legs full of strength and sticker. Right heel heads to the ground, and then swap to the other side. We're going to take a big breath in. With the right leg all the way up. Bends and feet forward. Moving back to your low lunge. So again, you have to I'll show you that. So inhale, exhale to straighten the leg, right leg, sorry. Inhale to come forwards. Exhale to straighten. Bring the hips back. Inhale, come forwards. Exhale to straighten. Inhale, come forwards. Tuck the left toe hands to the floor. Your forward hold. Hold onto your shins. Calves, ankles. Drop your head down. Inhale to lift. exhale to float. Your knees are in bent to they need to be here. Inhale, lift. Straighten everything up. Exhale, float in. And float the left. Exhale. And you'll all the way back up. Your arm all the way up. Stretch out. Exhale now. So we're going to come to a little balance and then come down to the floor. So press your hands into your hips. Go left toes press down. Come up onto your right toes. Press the right heel in towards the left calf. This is triples. Not just that tall. Shoulders are back. Maybe without touching it, you can take it to your calf. So rotate, not touching the knee. Coming to where we can naturally come. Stand tall for 3, 2, 1. Bend the left knee and come down. So press the right foot into the floor this time. Come onto the left toes. You rotate the knee out to the side. And then place the foot wherever you can. So not onto the knee. The knee's not designed to be pushed in that direction. We don't want to have dodgy knees. Big breath in. Exhale. So we're going to come down to the mat. If you have any issues with your knees or ankles, just drop down, have knee feet. If not, take your feet wider than hip distance apart. Inhale, take your arms up. Bring your hands together. Exhale, come down into a squat. So maybe you need to take your heels up. Maybe your heels are flat on the floor. Take a big breath in to lengthen the chest. Exhale, hands forwards. And come sit down. Take the soles of your feet together for Baddha Konasana. So we're going to hold on to the ankles. So you can have the feet a bit further in front of you, not all the way in towards the hips. So we're going to sit nice and tall. If you're finding it hard to sit nice and tall, roll a blanket or towel and sit up with that. So we're just sitting up. Pull onto your ankles to help you sit nice and tall, shoulders back. Big breath in. And then take your hands, thumbs to the ball of your feet, fingers round the top. Open your feet like the pages of a book. And exhale to come forwards. So we want to go forwards with a long spine. We don't want to be rounding forwards. As if we were taking the chin down first. Big breath in. Exhale off the ear out. Inhale. And then exhale. Inhale to come all the way up. Bring the knees together. We're going to take the hands and come around to the side so you can see. So we're going to do boat pose. So you've got a couple of choices here. You can have your hands just behind your thighs. Come up onto your tiptoes. You lean back. Shoulders are back. Navel is engaged, so you're pulling it back towards your spine. Going to lift one leg. You bring it down. Lift the other. Bring it down. You could come to here if that feels better, but you're working from your centre from here. So, 1, and swap over. You don't need to get your legs straight, get in here. And smile while you're down. And then take them up. Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Take your legs down. Hug your right knee and using your right knee, it's up really, really tall. So your right hand's holding your right knee. Right hand comes to slow behind. We're coming into a dip and twist. So I'm twisting away from my bent knee. Not leaning into that hand, it's just there to steady me. You can take it and take it here. Big breath in. Exhale. We're going to take the left hand to the right knee and right hand behind us. So it's a closed twist. We're breathing again. Again, that hand's not doing anything. It's just there to help me steady myself. And take it off the floor. And then come back. Take your right foot down, so come back into the feet shape that we had. So this time the foot's pressing into the thigh. We're going to come for a forward flow. So square your shoulders for the left leg, and you exhale from forwards. So again, we're in a nice long spine. You don't have to go very far. Point your left toe, flex it, point it, flex it, point it, flex it. And heels all the way up. And we'll take the right leg out in front of us. We'll flip the left leg down. Left foot slips to the knee. The right hand comes behind you. And you've got that lovely open twist, moving the spine to its full range. The right leg's still engaged, where toes are pointing up to the ceiling. Again, I don't need that hand to the floor. It's just there to steady me. Big breath in. Exhale to come right hand. Hooks round the left leg. Let's turn into the spine. Twisting round this way. Right leg is still working. Big breath in. Exhale all the way out. Then come back to centre, multiple left. Knee down to the side. Left foot pressing into the thigh. Inhale to sit up. And exhale to fold. So back into that forward fold again. Right leg still working. Point. Back up. Point. Back up. Lean. Back up. Just up. Right leg comfortable seated position. So whatever a comfortable seated position for you is, take the backs of your hands onto your knees. You can take your index finger and your thumb together and extend the other 3 fingers. So nice and tall. This is a mudra. A nice way to end our practice. So draw your inhales all the way down to the very base of your lungs, filling your lungs. And as you exhale, allow everything to relax and let go. Inhale. Exhale. You. Exhale. And stay with some more breath. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment below and let me know how you got on. Thumbs up, maybe like it and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you know when the next episode of the video is available for you. Have a wonderful day and thanks again for joining me on your man.